All students are welcome to next chemistry lecture. Today in this lecture we discuss about next part from integrated rate law. There are some points which are discussed in this lecture. First one, examples of first order reactions. Next one, integrated rate law for gas phase reactions and examples based on. There are three examples on this unit or point. So simply, what is order of reaction? We see order of reaction in previous lecture. It is the sum of the power of the concentration of the given reactant in given chemical rate equation. So first order reactions or examples see on your screen. First one, twice H2O2 liquid, it gives twice H2O liquid plus O2 in the form of gas. The rate equation for this reaction is rate is equal to K into concentration of H2O2. So simply here power of H2O2 concentration of H2O2 is 1. So here reaction is first order. That is, what is first order? Meaning the rate or simply concentration of this reaction. The rate of this reaction is depend on the concentration of H2O2. This is first order reaction. First example. Second one, twice N2O5 gas, it gives 4NO2 gas plus O2 gas. Also it is first order reaction. How? Simply here the rate of this reaction is depend on concentration of N2O5 to the power of 1, that is rate is equal to K into N2O5. So these are the two examples of first order reaction. So next we apply the integrated rate law for gas phase reactions. So simply the what is the integrated rate law equation? It is K is equal to 2.303 upon T log to the base 10 A upon A minus X. And this is the integrated rate law. So we apply it is for gas phase reactions. So see the equation. A gas gives B gas plus C gas. This is gas phase reaction. A is a reactant and B and C are the product formed in these reactions. So consider or let initial pressure of reactant A will be Pi that decreases by X within time T. म्हणजे सुरुवातीला त्या ठिकाणी जो A रिएक्टंट असेल त्याचं प्रेशर त्या ठिकाणी इनिशियल प्रेशर असणार आहे Pi आणि जे काही वेळानंतर म्हणजेच विदिन टाइम टी किती डिक्रीज झालेलं असेल एक्स न डिक्रीज झाले कन्सिडर केलेले आहे. नेक्स्ट वन, प्रेशर ऑफ रिएक्टंट ए ॲट टाइम टी म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी कोणत्या वेळेपर्यंत हे त्या ठिकाणी डिक्रीज झालेलं आहे त्या टाईमला त्या ठिकाणी त्या रिएक्टंटचं प्रेशर किती असेल तर इक्वेशननं दिलेलं आहे पी ए इज इक्वल टू पी आय इनिशियल कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आणि त्या ठिकाणी डिक्रीज कितीनं झालेलं आहे एक्सनं म्हणजेच पी ए इज इक्वल टू पी आय मायनस एक्स. दिस इक्वेशन 6.11. Next one, the pressure of the products B and C at time T are Pb is equal to Pc is equal to X. It is considered. Now total pressure at time T is the addition of the pressures of three chemicals or reactant and products. So P is equal to first one of A. It is Pi minus X, which is given in equation 6.11. Next one plus X. It is the pressures of B and C. So solving the equation minus X plus X gets cancelled. Remaining will be it is equal to Pi plus X. But therefore X is equal to P minus Pi. This is equation 6.12. Now pressure of A at time T is obtained by substitution of equation 6.12 in equation 6.11. So Pa is equal to Pi. We calculate the X value, that is pressure of A at time T. X is equal to P minus Pi in given equation 6.12. We have put this equation or value of x in given equation 6.11, that is Pa is equal to Pi minus x. Therefore equation become Pa is equal to Pi minus in bracket P minus Pi. On solving this bracket, we obtain equation is equal to Pi minus P plus Pi is equal to Pi plus Pi. It gets 2Pi minus P. Now we can write the integrated draw in the form of concentration of reactants, that is K is equal to 2.303 upon 10 log to the base 10 concentration of A0 upon concentration of AT, that is concentration of A at initial time upon concentration of A at time t. The concentration now expressed in terms of pressure. Thus A0 is equal to Pi, it is the initial concentration of reactant, and concentration of reactant at time t we can calculate it. It is equal to Pa is equal to twice Pi minus P. So substitute this value in above equation of integrated rate law. We obtain equation K is equal to 2.303 upon T log to the base 10 Pi upon 2 Pi minus P. This is equation 6.3, where P is the total pressure of the reaction mixture at time T. So this is the integrated rate law for gas phase reaction, that is K is equal to 2.303 upon T log to the base 10 Pi upon twice Pi minus P. So students, the examples on all these points, that is integrated rate law for first order reaction, half-life of first order reaction, equations, examples of first order reactions, integrated rate law for gas phase reaction, etc. The examples based on all these points. There are 3 examples, we see one by one. So see first example, that is problem number 6.8. The half-life of first order reaction is 990 seconds. The time is given in second. If the initial concentration of the reactant is 0.08 mole per cubic decimeter or mole into decimeter raised to minus 3, what concentration would remain after 35 minutes? So in this problem, first given the half-life of this reaction, it is 990 seconds, and also given the initial concentration of reactant. So we have to calculate here concentration remaining after 35 minutes. So first we have to calculate K by the equation of half-life of the first order reaction, that is K is equal to, solution for this problem is K is equal to 0.693 upon T half, that is half-life. You have to put the value of half-life is equal to 0.693 upon 990 seconds. It becomes, or by solving by log method or simply by algebraic laws, is equal to 7 into 10 raised to minus 4 second inverse. Now what we have to calculate, the concentration term after some time, that is after 35 minutes. So first given A0, it is the initial concentration, that is 0.08 mole per cubic decimeter. Time, it is given 35 minutes. We have to calculate it in second, that it becomes 2100 second. And we have to calculate the concentration of A or reactant at time T, AT. So we have to rearrange this equation, that is log to the base 10 A0 by AT is equal to KT. We have to shift the T on left side, it becomes KT, and 2.303 also on left side, it becomes KT upon 2.3.303 is equal to, putting the values of K, T and also 2.303, it becomes 0.6383. We have to take antilog on both sides, log gets cancelled, and antilog of 0.6383 is equal to 4.35. Hence concentration of AT is equal to A0 upon 4.35. We have to shift A0 or value of 4.35 on left side. Equation becomes AT is equal to concentration of A0 upon 4.35. Initial concentration is given by 0.08 upon 4.35. So by solving this by log, it becomes our solution is 0.0184 mole per cubic decimeter. A simple example. Now students, we move towards next problem number 6.9. In the first order reaction, 60% of the reactant decomposes in 45 minutes. Calculate the half-life of the reaction. So in above example, we have given the half-life of the first order reaction. In this, only percentage given. After 45 minutes, we have to calculate here the half-life of the reaction. So first we have to calculate the value of K. That is equation K is equal to 0.693 upon T half. That is T half is equal to 0.693 upon K. So we have to first calculate the value of K by integrated rate law equation. That is K is equal to 2.303 upon T log to the base 10 concentration of A at the initial time upon concentration of A at the time T. That is A0 upon 8. So value of A0, if you have given the percentage, so initial concentration will be considered here 100%. 100. At time T it becomes 60%. That is 60% reactant gets consumed in 45 minutes. That is remaining will be at time T 100 minus 60, that equals to 40. And time is given in minutes, that is 45 minutes. So put the values. So equation becomes K is equal to 2.303 upon T log to the base 10, 100 upon 40. This on solving this becomes 0.0204 minute inverse. So we have to next calculate the T half. Equation for the half life of the first order reaction is T half is equal to 0.693 upon K. It becomes 0.693 upon 0.0204 minute inverse. That is, on solving this it becomes 34 minutes. Now you try this example. Now next one, problem number 6.10. Following data were obtained during the first order decomposition of thionyl chloride SOCl2 at the constant volume. This is the thionyl chloride SO2Cl2. So Cl reaction. SO2Cl2 gas, it gives SO2 gas plus Cl2, sulfur dioxide and chlorine gas. The times in given second, starting 0, pressure at 0 time it is 0.5 bar. And after time T, that is after 100 seconds, it becomes 0.6 bar. So calculate the rate constant of the reaction. So use equation integrated rate law for the gas phase reaction. You have to seen earlier. That is K is equal to 2.303 upon T log to the base 10 I upon Pi minus P. That is Pi is equal to initial pressure, P is final pressure. Pi is equal to 0.5 bar, P is equal to 0.6 bar, and T is given 100 seconds. So put the values in given equation. It becomes K is equal to 2.303 upon 100 log to the base 10 is 0.5 bar upon 2 into 0.5 bar minus 0.6 bar. So it is equal to 2.303 upon 100 log to the base 10, 0.5 upon 0.4. By solving this equation becomes our answer is 2.23 into 10 raised to minus 3 second inverse. So students, in this example we see next part from our remaining part from integrated rate law. These are the examples of the first order reactions, integrated rate law for gas phase reactions, and some examples based on this. Remaining will be zero order reactions, pseudo order reactions, etc. या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण त्या ठिकाणी इंटिग्रेटेड रेट लॉ इक्वेशन पाहिलेलं आहे. तर तुम्हाला याच्यावरची जी टेस्ट असेल या केमिकल कायनेटिक्स आत्तापर्यंत, आता याच्यामधला इंटिग्रेटेड रेट लॉमध्ये आपला एक पॉईंट राहिलेला आहे आणि त्याच्यानंतर किंवा कॅटॅलिसिस प्रोसेस हा पॉईंट राहिलेला आहे. तो पॉईंट झाल्यानंतर तुम्हाला या टॉपिकवरती काही क्वेश्चन्स दिले जातील, टेस्ट दिले जाईल. ते टेस्ट तुम्ही सॉल्व करायचे आहे आणि सॉल्व केल्यानंतर त्या ठिकाणी आपल्या व्हॉट्सॲप ग्रुपवरती ती किंवा पर्सनल व्हॉट्सॲप ग्रुपवरती त्या ठिकाणी ती सेंड करायची आहे. प्रत्येकानं व्यवस्थित अभ्यास केला, प्रत्येकानं त्या ठिकाणी इक्वेशन असेल, त्या ठिकाणी एक्झाम्पल्स असतील, एक्सप्रेशन्स असतील, ते तुम्ही स्वतः सॉल्व केली तर ते तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी येणार आहे. तुम्ही फक्त त्या ठिकाणी ऐकणे असेल किंवा वाचणे याच्यापेक्षा तुम्ही स्वतः नोट्स तयार केल्या आणि त्या ठिकाणी ते सॉल्व केलं तर तुम्हाला ते निश्चितच चांगल्या प्रकारे ते येणार आहे. तर सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांनी या युनिटचा व्यवस्थित अभ्यास करावा. थँक्यू.